Now, as we have seen, in order to record data on optical disc, there are total 3 methods. The first method is a physical one, like where you will etch with the help of an laser on the disc. The second method will be with the help of some kind of ink, and the third method will be by using some kind of material whose optic properties or crystalline properties can be changed with the help of signal. In the complete explanation of reading process, it has been explained only about pits, but the same explanation is valid in case of ink kind of process or in the case of crystalline kind of process.
Again, we'll be using laser for that. That laser will be generating continuous light. Now that continuous light that will get focused by this lens, and again that will get focused and that will get fall on this disc. Now as we have seen earlier, on this there will be pits and flat.
Now as we know, these pits will be there in case if we are writing on the disc with the help of etching, that is laser etching process. Instead of pits, we will have ink spots if we are writing on the disc with the help of burning process, right? And instead of ink, there can be a crystalline material if we are using that kind of material while manufacturing the disc.
Pits indicate zeros and flat indicates 1. So that digital data that will be on that there will be falling off this laser beam, and from this disc light will get reflected back. So that reflected light now that will get again reflected from mirror. Now see here, this mirror that will not reflect light which is going from this laser side. Why? The reason is this is polarized mirror. So this mirror that will only reflect light which is reflected by disc. It will not reflect light which is emerged from laser. So you can see reflected light from the disc is again reflected by this mirror, and that will go over this side. And over here again we use lens to focus it, and that focused beam that will be falling on photodiode. So this photodiode that will detect flat and pits. Flat indicates 1 and pits indicates 0.
These ones and zeros can be further amplified, and this is how a reading process is done